Suprabhatam. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Mother, when are you going to tell me the bedtime story that you tell me every day? Sure, beta, I can tell it to you right now. But today, it is a very different day. Today, these all people are also going to hear the story. Would you like to join us? Okay, let's continue with the story.
Once upon a time, in the forest of Dundaley, there lived a hornbill couple. The couple was expecting, hence, they were in desperate search for a tree to build a nest in. Searching far and wide and traveling across 4 villages, they finally find a perfect spot in a hole of a huge banyan tree. As soon as the female hornbill settled in and gave birth, the bark beneath her gave in, as little did they notice there was another hole beneath them. She and her tiny chicks got stuck into a huge spider web and were surrounded by vicious spiders. The alpha spider killed one of the chicks and started feasting on it. The mother hornbill gave out a loud cry. A colony of helping ants passing by heard her cries of despair and came to her rescue. They fought with the nasty spiders and killed them all. In return of their assistance, the mother hornbill graciously donated the rest of the food and provided shelter to the ants just above her nest. The next morning, Papa Hornbill went in search of food as his daily routine. But this time, he didn't return as he was caught by a hunter. The hornbill started biting the hunter in an attempt to escape, but his efforts were in vain. One of the ants witnessed this whole scene and informed the others. All of the ants rushed to save the hornbill at once. They started climbing and biting the hunter. The hunter ran for his life with the hornbill in his hands. The hornbill found this as a great opportunity and escaped from his hands and began biting him along with the ants. The hunter's son saw this whole event and in return killed all of the hornbill's chicks. When the hornbill returned to his nest, only to see all of his children slaughtered and his wife crying. Enraged, he assembled his whole army of hornbills and helper ants to attack the humans. The whole village turned into a war zone. Humans started using ammunitions and slaughtered thousands of the hornbills. Seeing this whole scenario, Mother Earth rose from dust and said, "Humans, you have crossed all your limits. You are nothing but a threat to this world, and this stops today." And with a snap of the finger, all of the human race vanished from the earth. At last, animals lived happily ever after.
Wow, what a beautiful story, Mom. Today I learned something new. By hurting animals, we are hurting Mother Earth. We call her Mother, right? Then how can we hurt her? Exactly, son. From now on, you will take care of your Mother Earth. Okay? Yes, Mother. Now go to bed.